Alright guys, here's the emblem. Not too bad. Of course you can't fix the cracks, but just an idea of what it could potentially look just by painting the backside of it. If the front glass was clear and not cracked like that, it would look like a brand new piece. That's all touch-up paint. That's these touch-up pins here. And then the last thing for the gold, they didn't sell touch-up paint. So what I did was I sprayed it in a can and then used a little thing to spray it in there. Just use something to dab it in there with, and kind of dripped it in there and let it soak. But again, if the glass was clear and better, it would look like a brand new piece.